Morning guys, I am from Tyrant Solutions. So today we are going to learn about asynchronous JavaScript. What is this asynchronous JavaScript? So let me first of all open the notepad here. So here I am going to write for the today date 29th June. 29th June. So let me open this notepad here. And today we are going to discuss about the asynchronous JavaScript. What is this asynchronous JavaScript? So now today's topic is asynchronous JavaScript. Asynchronous JavaScript. So what is this asynchronous JavaScript? So here it is. The JavaScript runs on a single thread. JavaScript is a single thread, single threaded program. Means means it runs one task at a time. So but asynchronous code allows tasks like APIs or timers to run in the background without disturbing the code. Background without disturbing the natural flow flow of execution, right? So now let's see how it works with the help of a for example code here. So let me open the VS Code here. So on the top here I'm writing CMD and here I'm writing code space dot and enter. So it will be now open in the VS Code here. Let me write task 29th June dot html 29th June to dot html because I already have 29.html. So let me pick this boilerplate here. So inside this script part here I am opening a script tag and here I am writing console.log, and here I am saying start. So after that here I'm saying set timeout, and here I'm giving a function, and here I'm passing an arrow function here. So after that here, yeah, so here I'm saying console.log, and here async await, async, async task. Fine guys, so after that here I'm saying I'm saying 2000 means 2 seconds. And here I'm saying console.log, and here I'm saying end. Okay guys, so now if I run this code, let's see what happens here. So right now nothing is coming on my screen because I have used console.log. So I have to go to the console part. So inspect. After inspect it, we have to now go to the console part. So let me increase it. So now here in the console part here, start and live async task is coming here. Fine. I hope this thing is clear, guys. How this asynchronous JavaScript is working. So now let's move to the next part, that is callbacks. What is callbacks in JavaScript? Fine. So now let me open the notepad here. So we will be seeing that how this callback is working. So callback, callback in JavaScript. So callback in JavaScript. So a function passed as a function passed to another function, another function to be executed later, to to be executed later. So this is the callback function, guys. Okay, so now let's see how it works with the help of following code. So here, let me open the VS Code here. Yeah, so now callback functions example we are going to write here. So before that, let me uh, comment this part. Let me comment this part and let me remove this part better. So now let me in the same script tag, let me write function, function fetch data, callback I am saying here, and after that here I am writing the function body, and here I am saying set timeout, and set timeout. After that I am attaching an arrow function here, and inside this I am saying console.log, console dot log, and here I am saying data fetched, data fetched. So after that here I am saying callback. So here I am saying 1 seconds, 1 seconds. Yeah. So here after that here I am saying fetch data. I'm calling the fetch data inside this and attaching an arrow function here. So I'm saying console.log here, and I'm saying callback executed. So I'm saying callback executed. Okay, guys, so now let's run this code and see how this works. So here, let me run this code here. So right now I used console.log, so that's fine. Nothing is coming on the screen. So I have to go to the console part here. So let me go to the console part. So here it is showing me data fetched, then callback executed. I hope this thing is clear, guys, how we are working with callbacks. So now we will be seeing that how we can work with this promises in JavaScript. So now we will be seeing that how promises works in the JavaScript. So here promises in JavaScript, promises in JavaScript used to handle async async operations and avoid callback help. Yeah, guys. So now let's see how this promises works in JavaScript. Okay, so before that, let me remove this previous code here, where I am saying let promise is equals to promise, new promise, and here I am saying resolve or reject. So here I am saying that let success is equals to true if I'm saying if resolve success resolve then success, else else reject reject, and here I am saying error. So after that here I am saying promise, after this I am saying promise, and here I am saying dot, then I am saying dot then message console.log message dot catch ERR is equals to, here I'm saying console.log ERR. So now if I run this code, let's see how this works. So here inspect and go to the console part here. So you will be seeing that success is coming here. How, from where this success is coming? This success is coming from this part, guys. Okay, so whatever the query we have posted, it is true and it is resolved successfully. Fine, guys. I hope this thing is clear to everyone. Okay, guys. So now, so I hope these things are clear, guys. So now we will be going for async await. What is this async await? Okay, guys. So now let's see what is this async await. ASYNC async or await. It is a simple way. It is a simple way to handle promises. So now with the help of an example code, we'll be seeing that how we can handle it. So before that, uh, let me remove the previous code from here. So here I am saying async function load data, and here I am try, I'm saying try, and after that here let, I am saying result is equals to await promise. promise, promise, then console.log result. Then after that here console.log result, console.log here result. So after that here, I have to write the catch part. So here I'm writing catch and saying error. So after that here I'm saying console.log and here also error. So here after this part I'm saying data, load data. So now if I run this code, you will be seeing that how things are working. So let me inspect and go to the console part. If I go to the console part, it is showing promise is not defined and error is coming here. So let me solve that. I think this promise is capital promise, and by mistake I put there small. So now let me run this code here. So let me inspect and go to the console part. So here in going to the console part, now you will be seeing that promise and a native code is coming here. So this was my whatever the things in the database. Fine guys, I hope these things are clear to you. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.